Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Janani. I am so happy and excited to start my channel. Today I am gonna do a easy makeup look that you can wear during Rakshabandhan or any occasion. So without further delay, let's get into the video. First, to prep my skin, I've used Shesha Beauty Pure Rose Water, Neutrogena hydroboost water gel and Nivea Original Care Lip Balm. So start off with my makeup. I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Primer and I'm applying it on my face wherever my skin gets very oily. And also guys, don't rub your primer onto your face. Just press it onto your skin. So next, I'm using Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Rusty Orange as an orange corrector, and I'm applying it on my dark pigmented areas and on my acne spots to cover up those pigmentation. I'm using my fingers to first blend it well. I'm using White Sea Teardrop Mini Blender to remove off the excess. And now I'm using a loose powder to just set it up so that the foundation don't get mixed up with this orange corrector. Be careful while applying powder in this step guys. If you apply too much, your makeup look might turn cakey, so be careful. Now for foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 338. I am dotting it all over my face. And I'm using White Sea Teardrop, the bigger blender, to blend it well. While blending it with the beauty blender, make sure that you don't rub it off guys. Just dab and blend it so that you will get a natural finished even look. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Café and I'm applying it on areas where I think I need some more coverage. I'm again blending it well with the beauty blender. Next, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel as a highlighting concealer, and I'm applying it on areas where I think I need to highlight, such as under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the center of my forehead and chin, and I'm blending it again well with the same beauty blender. Make sure you blend everything well without any harsh edges, guys. Now to set all my base makeup, I'm using the same Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 30, and I'm applying it focusing on the center of my face. And I'm not using a powder brush, instead I'm using the beauty blender to give a natural look and not a powdery kind of a finish. You can see that I'm not applying the loose powder on the corners of my face, and I will tell you why it is done like that later on. So next I'm using Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I'm using the contouring shade on the corners of my face to contour and sculpt my face a bit. This is why I did not use the loose powder at the first in the corners of my face, so that I can have a well sculpted look. Now for my eyebrows, I am using Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake, and I am using the shade Black to fill my eyebrows well. After filling the eyebrows, make sure to comb it to give a natural kind of a finish. So for eyeshadow, I am using Makeup Revolution Tammi X Topical Paradise palette. First, I am using the light brown color as my transition shade, and I am working it well on my crease. Next, I am using the bright orange shade, and I am applying it on my entire lid. Next, I'm using the dark warm tone brown shade and I'm using it on my outer corners to get a more defined crease. I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm applying the same orange shade on the inner corners and the center of the lid to give a brighter look. Next, I'm taking the same shade with my shadow brush and I'm working it on my lower lash line, only in the middle. To my outer corner of the lash line, I'm using the black color from the eyeshadow palette. Next, I'm using Plum's kohl kajal in the shade black to apply it on my waterline and tightline my eyes. Now I'm using Lakme Absolute eyeliner in the shade black. I'm applying a thin classic eyeliner. I'm not going for a winged eyeliner today. Next, for mascara, I am using L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. First, remove off all the excess and wiggle it around to get the perfect voluminous eyelashes without any clumps. Next, I am using Sugar Cosmetics Contour Diffuse Mini Blush in the shade Salmon Superstar and I am applying it well on my cheeks because I love blush, guys. It gives that fresh look instantly. I also love applying blush tad bit on my nose. For highlighter, I am using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold and I am applying it on my high points of my face such as the cheekbone and the bridge of my nose. Next, I am using the same highlighter and I am applying it on my brow bone and inner corners of my eye with a shader brush. Last, for lips, I am using the Nykaa's Pout Perfect Lip Crayon in the shade Like to Mauve It and I am outlining my lips with this lip crayon. To fill my lips, I am using Colorbar's Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Bad. That's it, guys. Hope you all like this makeup look. If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting such looks. And also you can follow me on Instagram page for useful skincare and haircare related content. Until next time, bye.